From the KBIA Newsroom in Columbia, I'm Victoria Harrison. Cases of animal abuse and neglect in Missouri would have to be reported by child abuse investigators and others under a proposed bill. The House passed the legislation on Thursday by a vote of 125 to 12. From Jefferson City, Sarah Kellogg reports supporters say the bill could help reduce instances of domestic violence.
The bill requires agencies involved in child abuse to also be trained and report instances of animal abuse. It also requires animal control officers to be mandated reporters in cases of abuse and neglect of vulnerable people, including children. Representative Holly Jones is the bill's sponsor. The St. Louis County Republican said there is a correlation between animal abuse and violence against humans. She also said inflicting harm on animals can mentally harm people, too.
We know that companion animal abuse, dogs, cats, those kinds of things, abusing those animals that are so attached to a child or an elderly person creates a lot of psychological and mental abuse for that person.
The legislation also adds starvation to the definition of animal abuse. In Jefferson City, I'm Sarah Kellogg.
Attorney General Catherine Hanaway says the state's biggest supplier of video gambling machines is pulling the plug on the devices later this week. Hanaway says Wildwood-based Torch Electronics is suspending operations on the devices that resemble slot machines on Friday. That comes after a federal judge ruled the devices found in bars, gas stations, and convenience stores are illegal gambling machines. A spokesman for Torch Electronics declined to comment. The company is in the process of appealing the ruling. Independence voters on Tuesday decisively ousted 2 city council members who supported tax breaks for a controversial data center. In the mayor's race, political newcomer Kevin King handedly defeated councilmember Bridget McCandless, who voted for the tax breaks. Jared Fears also lost his seat. Opponents of the data center tried to force a public vote on the $6 million deal, but they were shut down by the city and a Jackson County judge. Misty Vaughn, one of the opposition leaders, says this election was the first chance residents had to voice their opinion.
The data center controversy definitely became a symbol of a much larger frustration about transparency, accountability, and just whether residents were truly being heard.
2 candidates supported by the anti-data center group, Jackie Dorman and Cody Atkinson, each won their races for at-large seats on the city council. Boone County Sheriff Dwayne Carey and other community leaders are planning to build a new jail. The Columbia Missourian reports the proposed jail could have around 800 beds. The existing county jail has 245 beds. Sheriff Carey's plan for a new jail includes space for male and female inmates and mental health unit, medical infirmary, and office spaces. I'm Victoria Harrison, KBIA News, Columbia.